YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed today. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some Ethereum. We're going to talk about it all, guys. But before we get into it, I just got to let you know this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just the homie Crypto J, and we just talking about some cryptocurrency today. So please do not make any financial decisions based off this video. As you guys can see, though, total market cap coming in at a 2.7, fear greed index coming in at a 32, Bitcoin coming in at a 85.2, and the market looking volatile. But can we see a breakout? Right? This thing is looking like possibly rising wedge here, but also possibly like maybe making some kind of recovery, right? Very interested to see if Bitcoin can carry on. Again, past couple hours have just been a ton of volatility on Bitcoin, and people want to know, are we breaking down here? Are we going to pump from here? Can we get out of this 86 range? We've really been rejecting so hard off this 85.5. I think if we could break above this and get a clear break above, 88, I feel really good about it. But right now, I'm just not too sure, considering today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. And again, are we going to start seeing this thing start breaking down? Rising wedge, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder. Yikes. I don't know. I want to know what you guys think. Are you bullish or are you bearish on Bitcoin? As a matter of fact, let's check out the sentiment just to see what these guys over here are thinking. Again, Bitcoin coming in at 1.69 trillion right now. Past 24 hours, 14 billion in 24-hour volume. You can't tell me this market is dead. It's not dead. It's up 14% in the past 24 hours. And I'm wondering, are people starting to buy it up? Like, did we see a bottom, guys? Was 78 a bottom? Or, again, are we going to need to see another retest? Somebody put here just 1 minute ago, they put buy BTC. Somebody said 100K starts the biggest altcoin season ever. I believe that. I do believe that if we can get above 88K, 89K, that we might see the biggest altcoin season that we've ever seen in our entire lives. Bitcoin to 500K possibly this round. I don't think that's the case. I think 200 would be a solid number. 250 even would be great. Depends how long the cycle is too. Like if this goes into 2026, I do expect, honestly, personally, I already gave you guys my kind of prediction. Somebody said Bitcoin is in a world trap from the USA. Do not buy it. Do not hold it. Next week, dump to 60K. You stop loss. I don't agree with this. I think that I agree that we have a chance of not breaking out, but I don't believe in this 60K, 58K price prediction that a lot of people are throwing out there. It's just too much. It's just too much of a breakdown, in my opinion. If that happened, I'd be very concerned actually for 2025. I wouldn't be too bullish on 2025. This thing to decide to drop down and revisit those 50s levels. But if we could retest that 68K, we would still be flowing inside our Keltner channel. We would still be looking bullish, and it would kind of lead everything to what a lot of these long-term charts are showing, as far as, we're probably still going to have a decent Q4. We know that pullbacks generally happen in Q1, guys. This is totally normal for Bitcoin. So I'm not, again, concerned in any way, shape, or form. I'm just looking for cheaper prices on this stuff because, again, I don't think that will have a forever chance. But at the same time, some of these coins looking like they might see some more sell-off, right? Including Ethereum. Ethereum, again, one coin that I would definitely paying attention to, coming in at 1600 market cap, down 42 or 47% right now. Just been bear flag after bear flag, and a lot of people again comparing Ethereum to Solana, right? But again, Ethereum has been number 2 since forever, guys. I'm wondering if that's going to change, right? Because again, XRP hot on Ethereum's tails, but at the same time, Ethereum's starting to pick up a little bit of volume. Will it be enough to maintain this number 2 spot? Also, how long will Ethereum be the number 1 DeFi chain? Is it here to stay? Is it going to be here for the next 5 years, next 10 years? Or is it going to be surpassed by something like Solana? Again, Solana coming in at 71 billion right now. And honestly, guys, Solana can even really make another run for it, because Solana was already at like 200 billion market cap. It was already sitting higher than where Ethereum is. And so again, if Ethereum doesn't want to pick up back in volume, but Solana does, then again, we're going to be getting flipped here pretty soon. Oh, actually, no, Solana's all-time high was actually at 125. Just kidding. But can it catch up, though? That's what I want to know. I want to know, can it catch up? Can we rip up to the new all-time high with Solana? Past Ethereum. Again, Ethereum is down this year, guys. Big time. Solana's up big time this year. And I want to know, again, if we have a super cycle, what can the price of Solana be? As a matter of fact, look at Solana this year, guys. It's up pretty decent. Even though it says it's not. It says it's down. What the? It says it's down 4%. But really? I'm shook. I'm shocked. But anyway, I'm bullish on Solana. We'll see. Again, it's been making better gains in my opinion than ETH. But let's look at some Toshi. So you guys can see Toshi Coin coming in at 145 million market cap, 559,000 holders. Are we going to hit 560,000 holders today? You guys could see Toshi Coin's 24-hour volume absolutely exploding in growth as well. Interesting, right? This is one coin that I've been telling you guys I'm paying attention to. I feel like a lot of the market's paying attention to this bad boy, but at the same time, guys, we got to be a little bit careful here, right? We're making some nasty patterns. We're testing some nasty ranges right here. And again, I feel like it's not just Toshi. I feel like it's a lot of the market, but we just got to be a little bit careful. Possible bear flag for me here. Maybe we could bounce off of this level here again still, and still continue onward, upward. A lot of these more long-term time intervals just telling me that I need to be a little more patient, right? We can still close this 12-hour solid, which is what I was telling you guys in the last video. Also, if you look at our 3-day, we're still not looking that bad on the 3-day. We could turn this up and see a lot of FOMO happen in this market. Also, our 1 week as well. Looking like, again, just seeing a little bit of volatility right before Monday. Totally normal, right? This is something that's totally normal. If anything, this is the best type of weekend price action that we've had in a while. So I'm definitely paying attention to it. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you next video. Peace.